I'm so scared. This desk, it's looking horrible. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video we're gonna do a spring refresh cleaning decluttering type of video, but in a cozy way. So I just had my breakfast earlier and I did a berry toast with some coffee and I'm good to go. I feel the energy, and then the sun just came out and it looks so lovely today. We are getting a little bit of wind, but I think we're okay. For today, we're gonna declutter my desk. It's much needed. It's horrible. Okay, I don't have cute stationery. Well, I don't have that, okay? I'm gonna keep it real. It's just for me to edit my videos, do my makeup, use my planner there, and honestly, I haven't even done my planner. I've been so bad. January, I was up and running, doing all these videos, and then February kind of slowing down. March has been probably the worst, but I'm back to do this declutter. My last video, I actually did a getting ready for spring. I took you to Home Depot so you could see all the flowers, herbs, and garden stuff because we are gonna garden soon. We got rain, which is kind of crazy because we haven't had rain in the beginning of this year in forever, and it started late. I wish we had the rain in January, February where it feels more cozy, but I'm gonna show you my desk. Hold on tight guys, because it's not the best looking desk and we're gonna try to organize it the most that I can so I could be more productive. Well, this is my desk currently. I have Snoopy in the background. I love to have like some jazz playing in the back, but this is how my desk is looking. Now, I am gonna be using my basket. I'm gonna hang these up because we need to organize. I had this inside my closet, so I kind of just wanna organize it and just make it easy for me. Like I mentioned, I use this space for my videos, my editing, work, fun time, makeup time. And then down here, I have my makeup bag. So I'm thinking of adding all my makeup that I have in a desk in that bag. And then down below is a little suitcase, but that's like important papers. Because this desk, I'm so scared. This desk, it's really horrible. There's no organization, even though I have these, but nothing makes sense here. Everything's cluttered. So let's get started. Okay, so the baskets look so freaking cute there. I think I'm gonna be adding my bandanas there because I've noticed like if it's hidden or like if it's in a drawer or if it's in a basket hidden far away from me getting ready, I tend not to remember that I have these, or I won't wear them because I'm too lazy to go and dig it out. So I think right here in these baskets should be fine. I have this cute floral one. I think this one's probably my favorite one. I have worn it a couple of times. This is actually my second time buying this exact print. I got it I think at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, and then my bestie got me this one with the strawberries. I can't wait to wear this one because it's super cute. Let's see, I don't know if I should put them in the lower one. You know, I'll probably put it in the, and then I do have more bandanas. So I have this one right here. This one's really pretty. I got this one at Old Navy, I want to say like 2-3 years ago. It's one of my favorite ones because it's really big, so I could like work with it. You could wear it as a scarf or a headband, or tie it on your purse and be fancy. And then I got this bandana, and honestly I've never worn this. Oh, here's the print. It's kind of similar to the other one, but let me see. It is so cute. I think I might wear this soon then because I think it's so cute. And spring is coming. You're probably gonna see me wear all these bandanas. And then I think I'm gonna add my hair clips in there as well. Thinking of adding my hair clips. My favorite one are these with the double teeth. These are my favorite. They just grip your hair really good. So I have these. Honestly, I don't really like these, but you never know, right? And then I have my Halloween ones that I got last year. So cute. And I have 2 more. I can't find them. Oh, I don't know if I gifted it to somebody, because I tend to do that when someone tells me, oh, I love this. I'm like, oh, here you go. I think that's it for this right here. I have this available. I'm gonna kind of clean around here because it is a mess and I don't know what else to leave out. And I kind of wanna, I do like this little area here, just really convenient. I don't know why I didn't do it before. Can't believe that little drawer was inside my closet. I had pile of clothes on top, and then for me to like pull it out, it would just give me like laziness. I don't want to say that word. I don't like that word. You know what? For now, I think I'm just gonna add my glasses here. Look how organized! I'm so excited. Okay, the best part about decluttering or cleaning is that sometimes you find your hidden gems. Like I didn't realize I had a gift card to Lush, so I'm gonna make a little visit there soon. So let me know if you guys want to go. Let me know if you guys want to tag along. You guys are the best audience. And then I also was looking through my stuff and I forgot I had these Disney Studios little cards. And I'm a Disney fan, so they are like the old type of posters. Look at this one with Cruella de Vil. I think that is so cool. Pinocchio. This one with Snow White. Like, they had so many. I used to go to Disneyland all the time, but man, times are tough. I can't just go just to go. Maybe someday. But look at this one, vintage. I love it. Oh, this one, Lady and the Tramp. I can't wait to watch that movie, actually. I've been wanting to watch that movie for the longest. Oh, let me know if you guys are excited to go see for the new Snow White movie. I think I'm gonna go see it. Who am I kidding? I just love Disney. So I'm almost done, and then I'm gonna clean up a little bit. I think on this little corner I'm still gonna have my candles because I love a cozy day in, and having the candles just makes me feel very extra. Okay, actually forgot to mention this, but I did pick up this one from Five Below. If you guys saw my recent vlog, I ended up picking this up. I think it's super cute, and I already filled out some of them. I think I did 3, but I think this is so beautiful, and I just love Psalms. Very calming, and doing this just gets me in a cozy vibe. They have more in different categories, but I wanted to pick up the Psalms one. I think I'm just gonna set it here because I'm trying to do this daily, and then I have my planner. But this corner right here is everything. It's clean. I'm loving it. And throw away this box full of trash. And that is it, guys. Oh, my Halloween slippers are down there. I have to put them away. And guys, that is it with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and comment down below and let me know if you guys love these type of videos. I could do probably a series of decluttering and organizing. I think that will be lots of fun. With all that said, have a cozy day.